Hello friends, Namaste. Very good evening from Betterify. This video is to share the results of DMart. The company's name is popularly known as Avenue Supermarkets. The brand is DMart. It's a very important company in the supermarkets, in the retail sector. The results were declared by the company yesterday. On 16th October, the markets are closed on 15th, 16th, and today 17th Sunday, and the market will open on Monday. So let us see the analysis of the results. As I said, the Q2 financial year 2022 results were declared on 16th of October. They are submitted to the exchanges on 16th of October. You can use this entire template for any deeper analysis. And as I always say that this is a consolidated statement. All figures are in crores. You see, I'm just picking up the figures from their reports, the way they are given. The only thing is this type of analysis is, you can say, my creativity, my invention. I am using this template from my side to give it a particular dimension to the analysis of the results. So I'm only sharing the snapshot view of the results. See, the total income of the company is increased by 49.90% on quarter-on-quarter basis, almost 50% increase in the top line, and 45.87% increase on year-on-year basis. See, the net profit of the company is increased by 338% on quarter-on-quarter basis and by 110.43% on year-on-year basis. This is one of the best companies that I have ever seen. The earnings per share of the company is is increased on quarter-on-quarter basis by 338.78. That is quarter-on-quarter. So it is increased from 1.47 to 6.45. And the same is increased by 110.10% on year-on-year basis. That is from 3.07 to 6.45. Now let us see the margins of the company. See, the operating profit margin is increased by 81.19% on quarter-on-quarter basis, and the same is increased by 24.24% on year-on-year basis. The net profit margin of the company is increased by 191.52% on quarter-on-quarter basis, and the same is increased by 43.35% on year-on-year basis. Let us see how the stock price of DMart has performed for all these periods. See, it was at 2913 on the end of 31st March 2021, that is last year, end of last year. And from there, it went to 5360 as of today. So thereby giving an increase of 61.66% on quarter-on-quarter basis. See, this stock has increased by 25% in the last 5 days only. As I was telling you, every stock, when it starts approaching towards its results, there is always a buzz. But this particular stock has increased by 25% in just 5 days, in the last 5 days. So this stock has given an increase of 61.66% on quarter-on-quarter basis. This stock has increased by 61.66% quarter-on-quarter basis. And the stock price is increased by 145.33% on year-on-year basis. See, DMart made its debut in 2017. It's a new company. It's a beautiful company, very nicely managed, and you can see the results are consistently improving, and that reflects in the stock price of the company. So it was somewhere around 700 odd when it was listed in 2017. Now just see, from 700 odd to today, it is 5,360 as of now. Now this stock, DMart, is part of BSE 100. So let us see how BSE 100 has performed for this period. See, the BSE 100 was at 15,045 levels as on end of March 2021, last year. And as of today, it is at 18,668. So BSE 100 index increased by 16.84% on quarter-on-quarter basis. And the same is increased by 61.57% on year-on-year basis. Let us see how Sensex has performed for all this period. So Sensex was at 50,030 levels as on March last year. And the same is at 61,306 as of today, more than 10,000 increase in March to now in October. So Sensex is increased by 17.18% on quarter-on-quarter basis. And the same is increased by 58.43% on year-on-year basis. Now, since the markets are closed, as I was saying, that in just last 5 days, the stock increased by around 25%. Let us see how the stock behaved on the last working day of the market. You see the previous close, so the markets were open on Thursday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, markets are closed. So on Thursday, Friday close was at 5117. On Thursday, stock opened at 5194, and it went as low as 5180, and it went at as high as 5420, and finally it closed at 5360, thereby giving an increase of 242.85, which is 4.7%. So almost 5% in just one day. And if you just see the last 5 days, it increased by around 25%. So one of the best stocks, one of a very multi-bagger stock from 2007. If you go into the whole story from 2017 to just 2021, you can just see from 700 odd levels to 5,200, 5,400 levels. That's the beauty of all investment and returns. We all know the story of Warren Buffett. So this is what Benjamin Franklin is saying as far as investment in education is concerned. And investment in education always pays the highest returns. So what I would like to say at the end of the analysis as my concluding remarks is that by seeing the results, you can easily see how the stock has been consistently keeping its promises, how it has been increasing consistently. It's more than 100% in EPS and more than 300% increase in EPS on quarter-on-quarter basis. So undoubtedly the stock is really a very good stock. And by looking at the market, the buoyancy in the market as of now, Sensex, banking, I think this stock when the markets open on let's say Monday, we don't know how the markets will react to it, but by going by the results, I'm sure, in my opinion, these levels will be sustained. It will not only be sustained, but the price of this stock will still move upwards from these levels. That is it as far as analysis of DMart or Avenue Supermarts Limited results are concerned for Q2 financial year 2022. I will continue to share the results of other companies. See, I'm not sharing the results of all companies. See, all in all, if you go on, let us say BSE, all in all, there are some 5,000 odd companies. And if we take BSE, let us say all cap index, in BSE all cap index, there are around 900 odd stocks. Now, these 900 odd stocks, if we go by the BSE business, the turnover, so these 900 stocks, that is BSE all cap index, does around more than 95%, actually more than 97% of the business of BSE is done by only these 900 odd stocks, that is all components of BSE all cap. So when it comes to, I don't have much resources to share with you results of all companies as they are declared or presented. I'm going to share the results of very important companies, and undoubtedly I'm going to share the results of all BS Nifty 50 companies without any question. So that is how I'm going to share the results of these companies. Thank you for watching. Finally, goodbye from Betrify, and all the best on the journey of your wealth creation. So happy investing and happy trading. Thank you. Thank you so much.